What's up, guys? Today we're going to be looking at MongoDB earnings. The stock is up 14% after hours trading. We're going to briefly summarize what this company does and then take a look at the numbers to see why this stock is trading so much higher. But their main product here, MongoDB Atlas, offers an integrated suite of cloud database and data services to accelerate and simplify how you build with data. And so we're going to look at the highlights of these earnings real quick and then get into the numbers. So we got a statement here that says MongoDB is off to a strong start in fiscal year 2026 with 26% Atlas revenue growth, meaningful margin outperformance, and the highest total net customer additions in 6 years. They also said that we are confident in our position to drive profitable growth as we benefit from this next wave of application development. And so for first quarter fiscal year 2026 financial highlights, they saw a total revenue of $549 million for the first quarter of fiscal 2026, an increase of 22% year over year. Subscription revenue was $531.5 million, an increase of 22% year over year, and service revenue was $17.5 million, an increase of 28% year over year. As far as gross profit, they saw gross profit of $391 million for the first quarter of fiscal 2026, representing a 71% gross margin compared to 73% in the year ago period. So the gross profit margin decreased some, or gross margin. So what we're going to look at is that this company is not yet profitable. We're going to take a deeper look into these financials here, but we'll start with the balance sheet, right? So cash and cash equivalents did increase from the previous quarter. In January, they were sitting about $490 million in cash, and now they have $657.8 million in cash. So really good cash there. Total current assets also increased by about $50 million as well. You're looking at $2 billion, $972 million worth of total current assets. As far as total assets overall, you see about a $200 million increase in total assets highlighted here. But what's really attractive about this company is they have very little in liabilities. Accounts payable is only $8.5 million, and their total liabilities right now is only $591 million. So a very healthy balance sheet for this company. However, they are not profitable. We're going to take a look at this income statement here. So their overall revenue growth is looking pretty attractive. As far as subscription revenue, you can see that for the same quarter in 2024, they're about $437 million in subscription revenue. This grew to $531.4 million in subscription revenue for this quarter. Overall, total revenue increased from the same quarter in 2024. It was at $450 million in total revenue, and now this company has about $549 in total revenue. So really strong overall revenue growth. But you can see as far as the net income goes, this company is still at a loss. Their overall net income in 2024 for the same quarter was $80.5 million net loss. But you can now see they've cut that down to $37.6 million in net loss. So this company is heading towards overall profitability. For the same quarter, they were at $1.10 loss earnings per share, and they now cut that down to a 46 cents earnings per share loss. So overall, not too bad. They are starting to improve their overall profitability and are heading towards hopefully being more and more profitable in the future. But as far as analyst predictions are concerned, they're looking at a median share price of $246 for 1 year stock price forecast, representing a 23% upside. But as we know, the stock is trading much higher after this earnings report and after hours trading. So it's currently sitting at an after hours trading $227 per share. So already getting a lot closer to that forecasted stock price. 38 analysts are giving this an overall 68% buy rating, 32% hold, and 0% sell. Guys, if you got value from this video, please consider subscribing. I try my best to give you as much information as quick as possible, and I appreciate you for watching this video. If you have any comments on this stock or what your thoughts are on this company, please let me know in the comments. I appreciate y'all for watching. Y'all have a good one.